of all these. I don't know if you can see. Can you see how dirty they are? Let's go closer. So, you know, so much handling and everything, all this is really dirty. I will be cleaning that. And first I will go all to the top, all the top parts, and then I will go all the bottom part. So let's do the top part first. I also want to protect everything that is clean already, and have my clean. There. So usually it's just this part. I can also feel it. I don't know why, but that's the part that gets really bad. So gloves, and I will explain my solutions here. What I have. It will be kind of easy for me to, now that we are here. I'm using the word. Okay, let's go here, and let me put the other one that I didn't put there because I've been not using right now. Did I left there? Yeah, it's here. Okay, this is what I have. Let me see, I can see what I'm doing. White vinegar, I have a lot of these. I use to mix with water. Depending on what I'm doing. When it's just, I want to use the water and white vinegar just for cleaning when it's more than anything things that touched the food. For that I use now the yellow one. I have a clean one now here. Then I have the mix here, white vinegar with water and some drops of the essence oil. I like the mandarin smell. You will notice that I always go for this kind of citric smell. This is a very nice plant-based multi-purpose cleaner. It helps a lot with the cleaning. It's a toe grease. Of course, don't touch your eyes with these. It makes wonders. When you're having just regular surface, I have this one, Ecos all-purpose cleaner. I am testing this one. I love the smell. It has also the orange smell. It's my favorite essence or smell. I have a sponge that I use for cleaning these kind of things, so it goes with my cleaning supplies. And when I am not using, I put in a little bag. I have a toothpaste. I change my toothpaste every 2 months, to be honest. I have 2 kinds that I use every day. So as soon as I change my toothpaste, I use for cleaning, and I can get a new one. For regular cleaning, I am using the blue one. See how it makes it easier. Before I was using like this. So this was a long regular kitchen towel, and I cut. But the problem with the cut is, like, see that I didn't do anything. I wish I did some seams or something like it usually come. So now every time that I wash them, this is one that I haven't used, they fall apart. But I have some left here. What else I have? And I have the white ones that is for glass. I don't have the other one that is for scrubbing, but I will use this one for that. So let's begin the cleaning.